major problems now piling up after that severe winter weather stormed through our area. We're going to get over to Buffalo and its rising death toll in a moment.
Yes, but we're going to start here in Rochester. It's not unusual to see pipes bursting after a freeze followed by a warm-up, and we're seeing some examples of that today. The Crittenden Fire Department reports the Brighton High School experienced a burst pipe, saying water was coming from the 3rd floor.
Same thing over at the Clinical Research Center at URMC's campus in Rochester this afternoon. And
Rochester firefighters as well as RG&E were called to the Clinical Research Center building for reports of serious flooding. Alex Love has been on scene since that call came in and joins us live outside the building as cleanup continues. Alex.
You can imagine there was major flooding here, Isabel, because for more than 2 hours, crews have been dumping water out of tubs and running hoses outside the front entrance to the clinical research facility. All because a 4-inch pipe on the 5th floor burst, and things only got worse from there. See, because this pipe busted on the 5th floor, all the water just started rushing down to every single level, forcing Rochester firefighters and RG&E to be called, and it caused what they say was major water damage on every level. But thankfully, no one was inside the building at the time or hurt. Nor were any patients or doctors inconvenienced by this, because the flooding was only confined to the Clinical Research Center and not the hospital side of URMC's campus. RG&E was also needed to come and shut the power off to the building while crews located the pipe and sealed it off, believing it burst due to being frozen from the weather elements outside. Now, for a while, Crittenden Boulevard was shut down as there was a scene here earlier, but Rochester firefighters have since cleared it and the road is fully open back up. However, they've had to turn the cleanup efforts over to URMC's maintenance, and it looks like that could still take some time. Live in Rochester, Alex Love, News 8.
All right, thank you, Alex. URMC was not available on scene for comment today on the issue. As the cleanup continues, we will update the story over at rochesterfirst.com.